Last Monday, Justice Emmanuel Baguma, who is presiding over the trial treason involving Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obeid Lutale, granted the defense team 9 days to review the prosecution's evidence with their clients and prepare for the defense hearing, which is scheduled to begin on June 11th. Given the large volume of evidence disclosed by the prosecution, the judge also assured the defense lawyers that the Lutale prison authorities would allow them unrestricted access to their clients throughout the review period involving weekends and public holidays.
We were of the view that that is insufficient time because, as you are aware, there was a witness protection application which was requesting that the names and statements of the witnesses be provided to defense counsel 7 days to the trial. To our shock, that application was withdrawn, and immediately it was withdrawn, the judge ordered the trial to start in 7 days. So in retrospect, it was allowing the application even when it was withdrawn.
The court further indicated that defense lawyers would be permitted to enter the prison with materials needed to review the evidence, including laptops, mobile phones, flash drives, documents, and other relevant equipment. However, according to the defense team, every attempt to meet their clients at Lutale prison has been frustrated after prison security officers reportedly refused to allow them to enter with the devices and materials required to examine the evidence. The lawyers say that since the court issued its directive last Monday, they have not been able to review any of the evidence with the clients because the materials have been blocked from entering the prison.
I tried to access the clients with flash disks of the evidence which the prosecution provided to us. However, the front desk officers of the prison denied me access with the flash disks, and I entered without any of the evidence. Now, ordinarily, if you are facing a charge, you are supposed to know the evidence against you so that you can rebut it. It's only Dr. Besigye and Obeid Lutale that can tell us whether the things the state is alleging are true or not true. If there was a meeting, he's the only one who can confirm that that meeting happened, and that meeting would need them to first review that specific evidence for them to speak to it.
When contacted, Uganda Prison's service spokesperson Frank Baine said prison authorities had not received any court order directing them to allow the lawyers to bring electronic devices or other evidence materials into the prison.
According to the allegations by Colonel Kizza Besigye's lawyer that they were denied access to their client is not true. What was not accepted is to bring in electronic gadgets without a court instruction. And if the court can instruct, then the OC can act accordingly.
In response, the defense team has written to the court seeking clear directives compelling Lutale prison authorities to permit them to access and review the evidence together with their clients. In their letter, the lawyers are also requesting a private room within the prison where they can hold confidential meetings with the accused. They further wanted permission to remain at the prison from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and bring in phones, laptops, flash drives, projectors, writing materials, and internet access to facilitate the review process. The defense team has also requested permission to bring in experts, including forensic and information technology specialists, to help analyze some of the evidence presented by the prosecution. They have additionally asked that food be allowed during the lengthy review sessions. The lawyers now say they will ask the court on Monday to grant them more time to prepare their defense, arguing that the trial cannot proceed fairly before the accused persons have had an opportunity to examine the prosecution's evidence.
But I will now proceed